Good morning. This is Kelly Bolwood. Hey, I'm a real estate broker associate with Signature Real Estate in Marietta. I'm also a lender with the Affiliates Group. It's a company that I own. I'm here to talk to you about reverse mortgages for purchases. It's a pretty unique subject because a lot of people aren't aware that you can do a reverse mortgage for purchases. Let me get some legal stuff out of the way first. My DRE number with California Department of Real Estate is 007-02276. My NMLS number for loans is 1078028. Let's talk about reverse mortgages for purchases. First of all, reverse mortgages got a very well-deserved bad rap years past for being expensive, complicated. They're hard to understand. Some lenders even were unethical. They did like equity sharing arrangements where seniors were kind of victimized, and some of them lost their homes. Those were greatly modified in the last couple of years, and now almost 99% of reverse mortgages are done through FHA. They can be done with almost no cost other than mortgage insurance. They can be done on a fixed rate. No, the lender does not own your home. They just simply put a mortgage on the property like any other mortgage. Let's talk about why reverse mortgages can be an advantage for seniors. Because it allows you to do a 50% purchase money loan on a property where ordinarily seniors, in order to have no house payment, would pay 100% cash. Let's use an example of a senior maybe that sold a property they've lived in for years because they want to downsize to a retirement community. They've been living, making house payments, and they sold their home and they netted $500,000. So their obvious choice is to go out and find a place in a retirement community for $500,000, pay cash, have no house payment. Or the alternative would be use $250,000 of that $500,000 nest egg and then utilize a $250,000 reverse mortgage purchase. So they would put $250,000 down, get a reverse mortgage for $250,000, live in that $500,000 house, and for the rest of their life they'll never have a house payment. Except, of course, for property taxes and insurance, and you have to maintain the property in decent working order. That's kind of almost a no-brainer. Of course, you have to pay your property taxes and insurance on any piece of real estate that you own. What makes this advantageous for some seniors is that, in my experience, a lot of seniors simply do not qualify for a traditional forward loan where they have to make payments. Their income is being derived from Social Security or pension income, and they simply do not have the debt ratio coverage to be able to do a traditional loan. So enter reverse mortgage for purchase. As long as you're 62 or older, and there's some properties will not qualify, but most will. A lot of condos will. Almost all houses will. It's just based on your age and your equity. So it's really one of the last no income verification, asset verification loans available, and that's why they're good for seniors. So senior could go in, let's say hypothetically, see a house, put $250,000 down, do a reverse mortgage for $250,000, which you can get pre-qualified for through a lender that does reverse mortgages. They're really not that complicated. You have to go through a counseling session before you can even take an application. Everything is disclosed 100%. In some cases, depending on the loan amount, you can do a loan where there is no origination fee and there's no escrow title fees because those are paid by the lender through his compensation, which is paid by the lender. These mortgages will allow the baby boomer generation like me, I'm a young baby boomer, to get into property going forward over the next decade that they ordinarily would not have been able to go into for. I had a customer that just did a similar transaction, and they were able to almost double their purchasing power and live in a home with no house payment, except for the property tax and insurance. So that's just a really quick overview. I hope you look into them a little bit. Talk to your mortgage professional about them. They are a phenomenal purchase money tool. They're safe. They can be minimal cost, and they can be used to help you as a senior live the lifestyle that you want to live. I hope that helps. Have a great day, and I'm Kelly Bolin signing off. Thank you.